Finally, I am back. It's so long. I haven't heard it all week. First of all, Monday I wasn't here. Tuesday, what was it going on? Wednesday, I'm gonna be honest, be very honest. I was just lazy. Thursday, lazy. Today, it's 3:15, getting back in. I did wake up at like 1 today. My power was out. Um, Obviously couldn't. Ate breakfast. Now I'm here. You're like, does it really take you 2 fucking hours to eat breakfast? No, no. I had to go get breakfast, and I had to eat breakfast, and then call my school. Like that took me like things I really need to do take me like no time. I don't know how time passes by. I blame the Earth's rotation. Besides that, I'm going to get some money to be putting in here weekly because I need to get my job. Thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, God, because it's here and I'm going to be able to put money into here. I will not say the disclosed amount that I will pay, but it, it, good start. It's a good, I mean, I worked at some very shitty places. At one time I worked at the Cinemark. I think shit, I got bullied by the motherfucking old ass managers. Like at the time I was 16, it was my first job, but they were like 22, 23, and like now that I'm 21, you know, it's like that's not that fucking old. But back then, as a 16-year-old, well, man, because that was dramatic. Dramatic. I didn't go to another cinema for like a year. Um, so let's move on. Now, since I haven't been in the market, as you can see I'm looking at another chart right now, but right now I'm looking at the market profile. Market profile, very, very, very important. It's going to be very important as this week, what I'm seeing from this week, what's occurred. This was my thought process was that, so from the trend line, boom, boom, down here. This one, boom, hit this boom, the highest points met right here, which you don't want to go all the way fucking back. But there's a point that the lowest point that it bounces off of. So use your imagination as to what I'm saying because it's like a month ago. I'm not going back a month ago. So yeah. So it's just like a quick 30-minute video. I thought about going live. Not that anybody will book watch, but like, it's the same thing. Like I'm gonna be uploading this video, or I could have been going live. Like, um, yeah. So it does look like. So since we were at the very highs of everything, we are in a balance. I can't even say that it looks like we're bouncing back up to those highs because that was here. I don't know. It looks like we're in a balance. So that's why I think coming Monday, it's gonna either shoot the fuck up, shoot the fuck down. I really need to tap into the comments. Like, I know how this is gonna fucking sound, but our world's richest man, the richest man in the world said the first trillionaire is gonna be someone who uses AI. So don't fucking what I'm about to say. But I have ChatGPT scratch the internet for me every day. News, go through Twitter, go through everything, and give me a report daily, like around 5 p.m. of what's been going on in the market. Because like a lot of people don't know, or I don't know if people know or not, but a lot of people actually lost a lot of money, like a lot of money, and sad things happened because of that. If anybody knows, but anyways, so this was the result of a trade war with China that had already, like previous days before, you could have seen it coming. So people saying that there's that dude who had like an $80 million short on Bitcoin, but you could have seen this coming. It's not fucking insider. It's you really could have seen this coming. Like Trump was about to slap back like he always does, and that's what caused this. Um, that's why it's very important for me to go read those reports. Obviously, ChatGPT isn't all fucking that. Like, it can't really go get every single thing. So I'm gonna be doing my own little deep dives over this nice weekend. I really gotta get caught up because I haven't been doing shit this week. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna read up on the reports. I'm going to read up on market profile, pay attention to the aftermarket on Sunday, little things here and there. Kind of like, I'm going to really try to finish my reviews this weekend. I think I have about 4 hours left of them. Um, yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing over this weekend so I can hop back into next week. Nice, clean, fresh, ready to go. So, yeah, we're out of balance, so I can go ahead and mark this. I have a lot of, I do not need all these. Let's see if these are significant. Whenever I talk a lot, like, I get nervous. Okay. I mean, touched here. I mean, yes. So it's like, do I want it in these trim lines? Yes, no, because look, they are bouncing off of them. Reclaim scent. Oh. So, like, but it's just too much. Like, motherfucker, too much. So I don't really want them, but they are hitting, like, but here I probably would have hit a short, but then bounce back up anyway, so does it really fucking matter? I don't know. I don't know if I want to keep them or leave them, but this one could go because this one wasn't really that fucking expected. What was the volume? Woo! Woo! Shot. I don't know. This right here alone tells me we might be going short. Um, there's too much training line. But what I can do, so I can get myself extended 90. Change the cooler blue. Do I have a blue line? Then change it to orange. I don't have orange. So there's the tippity top of the bracket. Now, where is the bottom of the bracket, you may ask? Of this week? The bottom is going to be right here. If you have eyes. There we go. Top of the bracket, bottom of the bracket. If those start breaking, whatever way, I'm going to be looking at the volume, at the orange, everything, the absorption, because that will tell me once it hits these levels where we are going to be going for the rest of the week. It's going to give a high signal. Plus everything I'm going to be looking at for my report. It's going to tell me, are we going higher this week? Are we going lower this week? Personally, I don't know. I'm kind of ready for a short. That's why personally, you just can't put your money like in Bitcoin. So you can't put your money like that. Because look at the shit that happened, like manipulation. Like we already know that HFT is like 70% of the market, if not more by now. Um, it's just not something I would do. Like put your money in motherfucking. I don't know. I don't know. Don't put your money in shit. Don't put your money in shit. Just, unless you have to. Like I personally have to do sim trading, so um I don't know if you like have to. No, I don't think so. You just hold it in your account and just take your profs because why invest it with shit like this? Like, yeah, no margin calls, all that. Honey. I didn't sign up for this trade. I did not sign up for this trade. Okay. Unless you're like really fucking watching and saw that 80 million buyer and all that, then you could pull it. But I didn't sign up for this trade. But you really have to be on top of that shit. Um. Okay. Okay. What time is it now? What happened? Oh, I got about 20 more minutes. All right. Okay. So first, I'm pulling up the market profile. So see, it kind of follows a little bit. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But this one went up by, from Wednesday all the way here, like 150 damn ticks. So, but usually they kind of like a day or two, you know, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, kind of like bye-bye. Okay. This one steady. Then it went all the way down on some high. Oh yeah, this is from the Trump stuff. Um, China. Now we have this. It was pretty steady as we saw in the balance every day. And then we have our POC right here, which is in the initial balance of the first week, the beginning of the week. So since it's back in the initial balance here, because we kind of broke out of it, I don't know, this could be more of a balance too next week because it's getting closer to that. We might just balance, maybe liquidate here, 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 here. Maybe it'll be next week. Maybe it'll be like sometime in the week. I don't know. But this isn't like a full confirmation at all that we're going to be shooting back and forth. Back in the initial balance. Wow, value area low is the same. Value area high. Oh yeah, this is telling me right now we're going to be in a balance. Like I'm thinking now this is going to be in a balance. Let me put it on my little sticky note. I would turn on my actual camera, but I'm just not ready for the face reveal. I'm not ready for the face reveal. Thing about me is I've had YouTube channels for since I was like 7, so this is my shit. Like I like doing this. So whether people like watch or not, it doesn't really fucking matter because you know people like I'm in the beginning stages, so I don't know. But let me go. Oh, I got a new pen and it has that little thing. Balance. Probable starting. I have a lot of sticky notes on my desk, so I'm gonna have to put October 20th. Going to a concert in about 2 weeks. So excited. Wait, yeah, I know that sounds crazy. And I can't remember people motherfucking jobs, so I've never had money. That Cinemark thing that I was talking about, that lasted about 2 weeks. And I literally only worked on a week. And I also told them I didn't want to work that long. So maybe the problem is me. I am the problem, it's me. But no, it's really not. I'm sorry, it's not. I've done enough self-reflection to know it's everybody else. Sorry, Carly. Okay, so this, volume is kind of stretched. We have a little bit of a tiny double distribution, but I wouldn't even know if I would call that a double distribution because it's not symmetrical. This looks more like a BMO from Big Mac. I don't know. Big Mac. BMO from Big. I don't even remember the name. But it looks like a character a little bit. Yeah. So taking this with a little grain of salt. Here's a TPO right here. Yeah, from this I'm getting balance, continuing balance. I'm not really getting like if it kind of closed, like it gave me a little bit of an interpretation. Like if this was Monday and this was Friday, I would be like, okay, I'm more bullish probable. But this is giving balance because it looks like it's going back to where it wants to be. Unless I would say it'd be balance or short because it's coming all the way back down, closing here. And if we go under value area low, oh my gosh, take the fucking money out of whatever. Oh, I love my steak now. Hold on. Balance. Okay. Or I didn't even organize my desk. It's still my whole room is a mess. Okay. So now that I've had a little bit of interpretation of the market profile, let's see what time it is now. So I'm going to take this. I have 3 monitors, like I've said before. I have 3. Oh my gosh, I messed up. Hold on. Oh my god. What? I have three monitors, but my fucking Snagit that I paid for a year only lets me record two of them, so that's why I have to pull my shit up over here. But on the third monitor, I usually have Bookmap, and I have two other charts on there. No, I have four charts. And sometimes I pull up the heat map of like the crypto or just the normal stock market. I'm getting lightheaded from pocket day. Okay, I take like a 30-second break because I really am about to have to go. Um, this is like the alert. I love this sound. I love this. This one, this rooster sound also so fucking cute. That sound is so that sound is so fucking cute. It reminds me of my little Yorkie that I have. Or like a cute little like rooster for like one of those like barnyard whatever. Oh my gosh, I can't. Can't. Okay. Now, what do I do now? We have a little bit of a rising edge that we might be ending with on the 1 minute chart. Let's go look at the overall market. Mother, wrong. Okay, where is it? Hello, honey. There we go. It looks kind of neutral. It looks neutral. Like we have literally lots of grays. We have red. We have green. It looks very neutral. Like it's hard to say which one is the best one. I don't know if it gives me an overall. Nah, it just kind of shows me the heat map. Yeah, to me it looks pretty neutral. Like that's what I'm saying. It's a fucking balance. Like so now that I've looked at a little bit of the market. Um, Fun fact: I got my phone stolen over the weekend, and motherfucker, yes, someone took my phone, and that motherfucker, I'm tracking them. I lost my iPhone, and they took it to some damn repair shops. They live at the mezzo apartments, like those ghetto fucking ass. So I feel like I don't even know who the hell I'm dealing with. Um, just it makes me so angry just watching them walk around my phone. Then I get some alerts that say your iPhone has been found when it's just that same ass motherfucker walking around with my damn phone. And every time he turns that shit on, I ping it and I call it because he has my phone. I really, 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 really wanted to threaten him on the messages that I could display, but then I saw that Apple like stands against that, obviously because Apple is a motherfucking weekend. So that I couldn't. So I'm just like, please call this number. When I really want to say, oh, fuck, I do. There's sitting motherfucking John Wick over there. So yeah, but it was an old ass phone anyway. So to be honest, I could erase it, but I'm just gonna be petty. It's not even petty. That's what I'm saying. I'm not the problem. It's other motherfuckers. Because how do you take my phone? How do you take my phone and I'm supposed to be the one that's unpaid? Like I'm gonna be paid, but that's besides the point. Why did I even start talking? Okay, reset this chart view. Short. See, sometimes my screen. Well, short. Give me a little bit of a profit margin. That was correct. Oh, hold on. Okay, okay. Clean this back real time. Steady. Need the okay, so trying to find. Whoa, hold on. Oh, the fucking. Wait a damn. We're closing on the high of today. We're literally closing on the high of today. So now it could be anything. It could be a balance. It could be an upper high. It could be low. Like, this made it more confusing about what it's gonna be because we're on the high of the day that we're gonna be closing on. There's still about 30 minutes in the market, so I don't think it's gonna do much. I'm gonna put possible high, low. I'm gonna take a break from talking because this is not a podcast, and I do not have the lung capacity for this right now. So, therefore, I'm gonna go and look at some other stuff. Probably review right now because I'm just kind of watching. Yeah, so I'm gonna review. I guess that's pretty much the end of this video because this was really just a recap. It's not like I'm placing any trades today. It's too motherfucking late. It's too late. I don't want to place trades right now. I don't want to place any trades right now. I don't really like placing them after 3 o'clock. It really slows down. Sometimes it speeds up, but after that, like 3 o'clock earnings report, after that, kind of just shit. Like after 3:15, dead. Therefore, I'm gonna turn on my music. Actually, I'm gonna leave this pause, so I might continue this video only if I have something to actually say again. But I pretty much recapped everything, saw everything, and I'm gonna prepare myself for this weekend, so I have a lot of shit to do. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Too intense for right now.
I'm just gonna review now.
It's currently